Now we have one more thing we're going to do to this. We're going to remove this shine on Cousin Casey's face. So we're going to insert a layer, and we're going to call it Shine Removal. We'll zoom in a little bit. And we're going to use the healing brush. And we're going to change the mode here to darken. And current layer is what we want. Actually, current layer and below, because we are on the shine layer. So we actually need it to look below for our sample. And we want to make sure we've got a soft setting. And you can adjust the size of the brush. I usually keep it fairly small. And then we're going to sample from an area that's pretty close to the shine. Just kind of go over that shiny area. And you can see it works pretty well. Now, what happens to some people is they forget to use a soft brush, and then they're putting lines on top of the face. Now, you don't have to delete the shine layer and start over. You can actually use the blur tool, kind of blur over the shine that you are correcting, because I'm going to show you what it looks like here. You see, that is what we have been adding to remove the shine. So, I mean, you can hit it with the blur tool, you know, if you end up with lines, but it's best to avoid the lines altogether. And to avoid the lines, make sure you have a soft brush. Just get this little area in here. But the nice thing about having the shine in the separate layer is that, you know, if you get something that you don't like, see, I've got that little mark there, I can try to blur it. If I really don't like it, I can turn on the eraser and I can erase it, and I could start over. But that blur works pretty darn good to get rid of things that you don't like. The little lines and marks. Let's see down here. And you want to make sure you're pulling color from an area that doesn't have shine. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to zoom out. So there we are at 100%. So at this point, I would go ahead and save it. I mean, if I was really going to keep going, I guess Aunt Gail has a little shine we could fix. But as far as this project goes, that's all we're going to do. So you can save it and close it.